We've had a few customers inquiring about how to adjust the Shimano Nexus gear system. So it's really important, whatever gear you're in, to just slowly take it back to gear position 1, and then basically as slow as you can, just gently rotate it into gear position 4. It is in gear position 4 that we make all the necessary adjustments. The reason we do the moving slowly is to allow the cable to move properly and the gears to adjust. Once we've done that, we can then look underneath the tricycle and align 2 yellow dots. Now we're looking underneath the tricycle, we can see that the 2 yellow dots are in perfect alignment. So that means this tricycle is ready to go. There's no adjustments needed. But if these dots were not in alignment, then I'd have to adjust the cable length, and that is done up at the handlebars. So this is our gear change unit, and we're looking at the bottom of it in this photograph, and there's a little knurled knob here which can easily be adjusted, and by adjusting that knob it moves this sleeve in and out, and that then goes ahead and adjusts the cable length. So what we need to do is to move this knurled knob a few turns, go down and inspect the yellow dots. Once they're in perfect alignment, we're then ready to go. Here we're talking about the adjustment for the gear change lever on the Shimano system. You adjust it by moving this knurled knob. As we move this knurled knob outwards, you will see that this sleeve gains length and it can go right out. You just keep winding it. This sleeve gains length and it actually lengthens the cable and will adjust the gears underneath the tricycle. Some people seem to be worried that you can see a little bit of light in here when you start to look around the bottom of that. Don't be worried about that, because there's a sleeve inside that comes out almost to the end of the knurled knob to protect anything from water ingress or dirt. So don't be worried about winding it out. You can adjust it as you wish, just to make sure the gears align correctly. If you wind it right out, and you can actually pull it away from the frame of the gear lever, you'll know when you've gone too far, because it just won't work anymore. Then that means you need to adjust the cable length, and that can be covered in a separate video.